Today we're going to learn how to crochet these pretty hearts. They're very quick and easy to do. I'll go slow and explain each stitch so even the complete beginners can follow. So we're going to start by making a magic ring. I'll show you how I make mine. I take my yarn and grab it between my fingers. I'll take it and twist it up to make this loop. Pinch the loop here. Insert your hook from the front. Now grab your working yarn and pull it through the ring. Now wrap your hook around your yarn again. Pull it through this little loop. That's your magic ring. So we're going to start by chaining two. To chain, you wrap your hook round your yarn and you turn it down and pull it through the loop. And another one, take your hook, wrap it round the yarn, turn it down, pull it through. These are our two chains. Now we're going to make 3 triple crochets inside the ring. To make a triple crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the circle, grab your yarn and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Going to yarn over and pull through 2 of these loops. Now you're left with 3. Going to yarn over, pull through the next 2. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2. That's our first triple crochet. Going to make 2 more. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. So second one more, yarn over twice, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and the last 2. So we have our 3 triple crochets. Now we're going to make 3 double crochets. To double crochet, you yarn over once, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2. 2 more double crochets, yarn over, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And our last double crochet. So we've got 3 triples, 3 doubles. Now we're going to make 1 more triple. Triple crochet, yarn over twice. Pull through 2 and 2 and 2. Now this is our tip of the center heart here. Now we're going to do exactly what we did here, but in reverse. So we're going to do 3 double crochets now, yarn over once, pull through 2 and 2, 2 more double crochets, and now we're going to do 3 triple crochets. Triple crochet, you yarn over twice. One, 2, Oh, I forgot if I did 2 or 3 now. Done 3. So we're going to pull on the tail end to close our heart a little bit more. Leave a little gap here. And when we started, we chained 2. So we're going to chain 2 to end. And now we're going to slip stitch into the center. To slip stitch, just insert your hook into the center, pull your yarn through, and just pull it through the loop straight away. Now grab your tail end and close your heart fully. And that's our center heart done. Now we're going to start the outlining. So we want to chain 1, and now into this first gap under your chain 2, we're going to place 2 single crochets, both into the same space. So we're going to insert our hook into the space, grab your yarn, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now into the same space again, yarn over, pull through both. Now these are our triple crochets from the previous round. We're going to place 3 double crochets on top of each of these triple crochets. So you want to be inserting your hook on the top of these triple crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Go underneath both of these pieces of yarn. So 3 double crochets into our first triple crochet. So to double crochet, going to yarn over once, insert your hook under both loops, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 and 2. We're going to go back into the same space and do another double crochet. So we're going to yarn over once, get under the loops, and 1 last double crochet into the same space. Now we're going to move on to the next stitch and place 3 double crochets there too. First one, second one, third one. On to our next stitch here, and again 3 double crochets in there. Into the next 3 double crochets, we're going to place 1 double crochet on top. So just the one in the next 3 stitches. One, move on to the next stitch, 2, and 3. And now we reach the tip of our heart, and we've got our triple crochet here from the previous round. Now to make the tip, we're going to place a double crochet, a triple crochet and a double crochet all into the same stitch here. So a double crochet first, Now into the same space goes a triple crochet, yarn over twice, and another double crochet back here as well. Oh, missed that one. That's where we reach the half point of our heart. So we're going to repeat all of this on the other side in reverse. So we want to do a double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and now in the next 3 stitches we want to put 3 double crochets into each of these. Yarn over twice for that, for triple crochet, sorry, double crochet, we yarn over once. That's our first one. Second one. Third one. On to the next stitch, again 3 double crochets in there. One, two, three, and into the next one, same again, 3 double crochets. One, two, and 3. Now we reached our 2 chains from the first round space here. So as we place 2 single crochets here, we're going to place 2 single crochets here too. So insert your hook into this space, make 2 single crochets there. Right, now we're at the end. We're going to slip stitch on top of our slip stitch from the previous round. So insert your hook, pull through, and just pull through the loop straight away. And this completes our heart. Now we're going to finish off, we're going to chain 1, pull through, pull up a big loop. Now take your scissors, and cut your yarn, and pull it through the last loop. There we are. Tighten your center again, and that's our heart completed. Now you can either thread your ends through a yarning needle and weave them through, or what I do, I bring these 2 ends together, just grab the top one, pull it through, and then I just make a couple of knots. That, make it nice and tight. There we go. You can either cut your ends off or leave them longer, depending if you want to tie your heart to another project or if you just want it like this. If you want a written pattern, you can head off to my website. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you.